Imagine, if you will, a creature that holds a universe of color within its very skin. It is an animal that can vanish into its surroundings as if by magic. One moment a dull patch of sand, the next a vibrant, flashing beacon of light. This creature is not a fantasy from a storybook, but a living, breathing marvel of the deep. It thinks, it learns, and it communicates in a language of light and pattern we are only just beginning to understand. This is the world of the cuttlefish, an often overlooked inhabitant of our oceans, yet one of the most astonishing. Its ability to change its appearance in less than a second is a spectacle of nature, a silent, dazzling performance beneath the waves. The cuttlefish is a master of disguise, a true artist of the sea. This is not simply for show, it is a vital tool for survival in a world of constant peril. Perfecting camouflage over millions of years, it stands unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Beyond visual wizardry, the cuttlefish possesses a mind of surprising complexity, a living miracle that challenges our definitions of intelligence and beauty. So, what exactly is this curious creature? Despite its name, the cuttlefish is not a fish at all. It belongs to a class of marine animals known as cephalopods, the group that includes octopuses and squid. Cephalopod means head-foot, a distinct head attached to arms and tentacles. A cuttlefish typically has a soft, flattened body, 8 arms around the mouth, and 2 longer tentacles for hunting. Its arms are lined with powerful suckers for grip and manipulation. Hidden within is a unique internal shell called a cuttlebone, a porous structure of tiny gas and liquid-filled chambers. By tuning these chambers, it achieves precise buoyancy control, more subtle than a fish's swim bladder. Cuttlebones often wash ashore and even give the animal its characteristic shape. Large W-shaped pupils grant an exceptionally wide field of vision, seeing in front and behind. These eyes are crucial for spotting predators and prey and for matching surroundings. Beneath the skin are 3 hearts and copper-based blue blood, fueling an active, intelligent lifestyle without a backbone. Cuttlefish are found across temperate and tropical oceans, from Europe's shallow coasts to Australia's vibrant reefs. Primarily bottom dwellers, they favor shallow habitats that offer camouflage and shelter. An undulating fin running the body's length enables a smooth glide, forward, backward, or sideways. It moves almost like a miniature submarine, approaching prey with stealth and minimal disturbance. A slow, hypnotic ballet, beautiful and effective for a creature built on subtlety and surprise. When speed is required, it draws water into the mantle and jets through a mobile siphon for rapid bursts. The aimable siphon grants agility to dodge threats or strike, often with a cloud of ink to confuse pursuers. It can even walk on 2 arms, bobbing like algae or a harmless hermit crab, camouflage in motion. By blending glide, jet, and walk, the cuttlefish adapts to any situation, one of the sea's most versatile and elusive swimmers. The cuttlefish's most celebrated trait is its phenomenal ability to change color, pattern, and even texture, faster than a blink. A complex skin of specialized cells sits under direct control of the brain. Chromatophores, tiny elastic sacs of pigment, expand via micromuscles to reveal blacks, browns, reds, and yellows. Beneath, iridophores act like living mirrors, reflecting light into shimmering blues, greens, silvers, and golds. Deepest are leucophores, scattering a bright white base that enhances vibrancy and matches sandy backgrounds. The brain coordinates millions of cells, expanding and contracting to create complex, dynamic patterns. It can produce moving stripes and pulsating circles, or mottled textures to disappear. Muscles push up papillae, shifting skin from smooth to spiky, completing the illusion with matched texture. These abilities serve 2 primary functions: camouflage and communication. A male may court a female with bold stripes on one side while showing a drab, female-like pattern to fool a rival, skin as a living billboard of intent and emotion. An exceptionally skilled predator, it relies on intelligence and camouflage, hunting crabs, shrimp, and small fish. The hunt begins with stillness. Watchful eyes scan for the slightest movement. Unsuspecting prey wander close. Ambush predation by patience and disguise. It may creep forward on walking arms or use subtle fin waves to narrow the gap. Some cuttlefish produce hypnotic patterns that can transfix small prey like crabs, freezing them in place. From between 8 arms, 2 feeding tentacles shoot forward, their sucker-lined pads gripping the victim. The strike takes mere milliseconds. Tentacles retract, drawing prey to a powerful, parrot-like beak. The beak pierces hard shells. Venomous saliva can paralyze and begin dissolving tissues. Every hunt is a showcase of evolutionary adaptation, a perfect blend of brain and brawn beneath the waves. Intricate behaviors point to exceptional intelligence among invertebrates, a large, complex brain rivaling many fish and reptiles. This is evidence of problem-solving. They can navigate mazes, associate symbols with food, and retain memories for weeks or months. In self-control tests, offered lesser food immediately or better food later, cuttlefish consistently delayed gratification. They weigh future outcomes against present desires, a skill once thought unique to primates and crows. Their hunting is flexible, context-dependent, adapting tactics, learning from wins and failures, refining over time. Young cuttlefish show curiosity and play, behaviors linked to cognitive development. The cuttlefish's mind is a fascinating frontier, revealing that complex intelligence can evolve along pathways very different from our own. An alien consciousness in the ocean's depths. The life of a cuttlefish, though brilliant, is brief. Most live only 1 to 2 years, growing and learning at astonishing speed. Life culminates in dramatic reproduction, spectacular displays, rivalries, and delicate transfer of sperm to the female. She chooses sheltered sites, underside of rocks or seaweed, to lay clusters of dark, grape-like eggs. For many species, reproduction is terminal. Males and females often perish after the mating season. From these pearls, perfect miniatures hatch, already camouflaging and ambushing prey within hours. Fast turnover helps populations adapt quickly to change, but today they face rising pressures, overfishing, habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. As we uncover their intelligence and ecological role, our responsibility is clear. Support sustainable fishing, cut plastic, and expand marine protected areas. Protect their habitats, and we preserve a symbol of the ocean's wonder, proof that nature's creativity is endless.